Hi children, how are you all? Hope all are doing well. Yes. Children, hi children, how are you all? Yes, hope all are doing well. All are fine. Yes, good to know that. So, last lesson we learned about communications, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed the lesson. I think you read the lesson and you went through the exercise well. Do you learn the exercise? Did you learn? Okay, good. Yes. So, daily read the lessons and learn the exercise of those lessons well. Okay. Yes. And now we are coming to the next lesson. Okay. Yes. So, tell me children, suppose your friend wanted to come to your house to visit you. So, how will you give the way to your friend? He is coming first time to your home. How can you direct your friend to your home? First of all, you have to tell the address of your house, isn't it? Where you are staying, the particular address you have to tell him. Yes, so and so area I am living. So I am living here in that place, in that area, opposite to that shop or near to that hospital, or you say backside of that temple, or behind, or you can say left side of that function hall. So we use many terms to explain about the way to reach the house, to give the address, isn't it? We may tell about that temple as a landmark, we say, or the kirana shop, we say, or we say a church is there behind my home, or a function hall is there, or a big tree you can see. From there you have to come straight, then you have to turn left, right, something like that you explain to your friend so that he can reach your home safely. So when we tell the address to someone, we use many terms like you have to come straight, then you have to turn left, then you have to turn right, or we say my house is on the back side of that hospital, or front side of that kirana shop. Something we use like this, isn't it? This terms is so familiar to us. Back, front, behind, left, right, straight. We use these terms when we explain the way, or when we tell someone the way to our home, our house. So for us also, to reach some place, we need to know the address of that place. If we ask someone, they also tell us, from here you have to go straight, then turn right, then left side you can see a building, yellow color building, it is Rahul's house, or it is that building that you wanted to go. There you can see that diagnostic center. Means suppose we are going somewhere, we don't know the address. If we are on the way, we may ask someone, so they direct us like this. Nowadays people use Google Map, isn't it? Google Map in the phone, they use Google Map. Google Map tells us the address, the way. There also how they are telling after 200 meters turn left, after 100 meters turn right. They also tell us like that, left, right, straight and all. Yes or no? Yes. So these left, right, straight, front, back, what are these actually, you know? Yes, these are actually directions. That is our lesson of today. Directions. Okay? Lesson 16. Directions. Yes. Early morning. When you get up early morning, you can see the sun. Isn't it? Where does the sun rise? Yes, the sun rises in the east. Early morning we can see the sun in the east. Yes. Then slowly by evening it goes down. Means sun sets. So sun sets in west in the evening. So east, west, they are all directions actually. So today we learn more about these directions. Okay. Lesson 16, directions. Time to warm up. In which direction is your house located? Do you know in which direction is your house located, children? East or west? How do you know the direction of your house? How do you know the direction of your house? How do you know the direction of your school from your home? From your home, how do you know the direction of your school? Yes, we'll learn today about these directions, and then you will understand how to know these directions. Time to know. Direction is the line along which a person or thing moves or looks. Direction is the line along which a person moves or looks, or a thing moves or looks. So direction means what? It is a line along which a person or thing moves or looks. This is actually directions or direction. It is the line along which a person moves or a thing moves or looks. You can use the sun for direction. So for direction we can use sun. How? Let us see. Always remember that the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. That you know. Sun rises in the which direction? East. Then sun sets in which direction? West. Sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. So from morning before noon, sun is at the east. Yes, from morning till noon time we can see the sun, bright sun in the sky. It is in the east direction. After noon till later, it starts showing up at west. Then after the noon, what happens? Slowly we can see the sun changes its direction to west. So if you know where your east and west now, that will be easy to figure out where your north and south are. So suppose if you know these two directions, east and west, then it is easy for you to know where is north and where is south. By knowing the two directions east and west, it helps you to know the other two directions north and south. So these are actually the main directions: north, south, east and west. So direction is what? Direction is a line along which a person or thing moves or looks. We know, all of us, we know that sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. So sun helps us in finding the directions. Yes, if we know these two directions, east and west, then it is easy for us to know the other two directions, means north and south. Look at these children. You can see the image here. Can you see the image? Yes, look at this. One is walking to his right. One is walking to her left. Behind that girl, to the left side of the girl, we can see what? Puppy. And the right side of the boy, we can see a dog. The forward area is front. What lies behind his back? This is front. Behind us, this is back. Thus, right, left, front, back are four directions. Yes, right, left, front, back. These are all what? 4 directions. They are opposite directions. Opposite direction. Front, back, opposite. Right, left. They are opposite. Yes. There are 4 main directions. Actually, there are 4 main directions. 4 main directions are there actually. Which are these 4 main directions? Which are the 4 main directions, children? They are the north, then south, east and west. These are the 4 main directions: north, south, east, west. These 4 directions never change. These are the 4 main directions, and these 4 directions, they never change. These are the 4 main directions that never change. Okay? Yes, so we are learning about directions. So every time we use these words: right, left, front, back and all. Where is Rahul standing? Rahul is standing to the back of Rohan. Where is Diya sitting? Diya is sitting to the friend of Tina. Tina is sitting here. Diya is sitting opposite to her. Yes. So we use these terms, no? Front, back, opposite. Yes. Where is that tree? That mango tree? Mango tree we can see to the left of my house. Yes. Where is that temple? Sai Baba temple is to the right of my house, or right of that shop. So we use right, left, front, back. Usually we use these terms. They are also directions, but the 4 main directions are north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west are the 4 main directions, and these directions never change. So you know, sun help us to find the directions. How? Let us see how sun help us in finding the directions. Get up in the morning. So you all get up early in the morning, isn't it? You are all good children. You wanted to go to school, so early you get up, isn't it? Early to rise, early to bed. It is a good habit of all children. Because you wanted to go to school early in the morning, you have to sleep early. So early to bed, early to rise. Yes, so get up in the morning, stand with your face towards the rising sun. So sun rises in the east. To that direction you have to stand your face to the direction where the sun rises. Stretch your arms. Both sides you have to stretch your arms, both the hands. Now your face is towards the east. Yes, you have to stand and your face should be towards the east direction where the sun rises. On your back is west then. If you're standing in front of the sun, so back side is west. Here sun is there, so sun rises in the east. This is your east direction, so the back side of you is the west direction. To your left is north, to your right is south. So if you know east and west, it is easy for you to find the other 2 directions, north and south. Yes, so these directions never change. So how you will find your direction, children? Yes, how will you find the direction? You have to get up early in the morning. Then afterwards you see the sun. Okay, sun rises in the east, you know. So sun is there. You have to stand in front of the sun. Stand in front of the sun and you have to stretch your arms like this. You have to stretch the arms. Yes, then your face is towards the sun. So this is your east direction. Back side is your west. Then your left side is the north and right side is the south. Okay, So you are standing like this. You imagine sun is here. This is east direction. Back side is west. Your left side is north and right side is south. East, west, north, south. This is the way by which you have to find the direction. If you know east and west, then it is easy for you to find the other two directions, north and south. So your face, it is facing towards the sun. It is in the east direction, back side is west. Your left side is north and right side is south. Okay? Now you understood how to find the directions east, west, north and south. And these are the four main directions, and these directions, they never change. These directions never change. Remember, the sun always rises in the east. It rises in the morning. Early morning we can see the bright sun rises in the east. The sun always sets in the west. Yes, sun always sets in the west. It sets in the evening. Yes. So thus you know the four main directions: north, south, east and west. With their help, we can find four other directions. Again, four other directions are there. Already you learned four main directions: north, south, east and west. Then what is this other directions? Let's see. They are called sub-directions. See, four main directions you learned: east, west, north and south. Then for these main directions, there are sub-directions. So let us learn about these sub-directions. So what are these sub-directions? Okay. Yes children, so sub-directions. We learned about four main directions: north, south, east and west. Now these four main directions has some sub-directions. Now look at here the diagram. You can see here, isn't it? Yes. Here the sub-directions means the halfway between north and east. This is north, this is east. This halfway between north and east, this is northeast, or we can say NE, northeast, NE. Then halfway between north and west, this halfway between north and west, it is northwest. So northeast, northwest, NW, northeast, northwest. Then halfway between south and east, this halfway, this is halfway between south and east, that is actually southeast, or we can say SE, southeast. Then halfway between south and west, halfway between south and west, it is southwest. So we can write SW. Okay, so northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. These are the four sub-directions. So which are the four sub-directions, children? Yes, northeast, northwest, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. They are the sub-directions. So northeast means the halfway between north and east. Halfway between north and east is northeast, and northwest means halfway between north and west is northwest. Then halfway between south and east, that is southeast. Halfway between south and west, that is southwest. So northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. These are the four sub-directions. So we learned about four main directions: north, south, east, west. For this four main directions, and these four directions never change. For these four main directions, there are sub-directions also. They are northeast, northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. These are the 4 sub-direction. Northeast NE, northwest NW, southeast SE, southwest SW. So did you understand, children? So we are learning about directions, and there are many directions around us, like we use left, right, straight, back, front. These are all directions only, but the 4 main directions are north, south, east and west. Yes, sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. Sun helps us in finding the directions. Yes, so if we know the directions east and west, then it is easy for us to find the other 2 directions, north and south. And the 4 main directions never change. There are 4 sub-directions also. The halfway between north and east is northeast. Halfway between north and south is northwest. The halfway between south and east is southeast. The halfway between south and west is southwest. So they are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. NE, NW, SC, SW. So these are the sub-directions. Yes, children. Now next, all maps follow a uniform way of naming the directions. So do you know what is a map? Map, M-A-P, map. Actually, map is drawing of earth. Last class you learned about earth and sky, isn't it? So we learned that the globe is a model of earth. By seeing the globe, you can get an idea. It gives us an idea about how our earth looks like. So drawing of earth on a flat paper, it is actually map. Drawing of earth on a flat paper, it is called a map. In the globe also you saw many colors, blue color, brown color, yellow color and all. So same here, map also you can find in different colors. Map use different colors to represent many things. Okay, yes. So take any map and spread it on a table or hang it on a wall. Okay, you can take any map. So you take our India map, you can see the map here. Take the map and spread it on a table, or else you can hang it on a wall. Just hang it. The top of the map, top always shows north direction. Take any map, top shows north direction, and while the bottom of the map shows the south direction. Bottom, down part, it shows south direction. So when we hang a map on a wall, north part is top. Top shows the north direction, down, bottom shows the south direction. Towards the right is the east and the west lies towards the left. So suppose here there is a map. So top is north, bottom is south, and right, towards the right. This is your right. So right is the east part. This is your right direction. Right of the map is east and left of the map is west. Okay. Then look at the map of India in an atlas. So atlas means what? A-T-L-A-S. Atlas is the collection of maps. There is a book that contains many maps. Atlas, we can see many maps. So look at a map of India in an atlas. There you can see Jammu and Kashmir. Can you see the map here? Children, map is here. Jammu and Kashmir you can see. It is on the top of the map. So which direction it is? Top shows north. So Jammu and Kashmir is in the north direction. Then the Tamil Nadu where you can see in the map here, it is in the bottom, down or bottom shows the south direction. So Tamil Nadu state it is in the south. Yes. So Jammu Kashmir is on the north and Tamil Nadu is in the south. Then your right side is the east, isn't it? Right side. So right side, West Bengal, you can see. West Bengal is on the east side of the map, and Gujarat you can see on the west, means your left is the west. So here you can see Gujarat. Gujarat you can see here on the west. Understood? Yes. So when we hang a map on a wall or here on the board, then the north is on the top, south is bottom, and your right side is the east and the left side is the west. So Jammu Kashmir is there on the north, Tamil Nadu is there on the south part, and West Bengal you can see here in the east, Gujarat we can see in the west. Yes. This is the way how you have to find the directions. So map, when we hang a map on the wall, this is the thing, it is common everywhere. If you hang any map on the wall, or just you keep a map on a table, upside is north, down is south, left is, your left side is west and right side is east. So children, we are learning about directions. So we learned about directions now. Which are the four main directions, children? Yes. North, south, east and west. These are the four main directions. They never change. Yes. Where does the sun rise? Yes, sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west direction. So if you get up early in the morning, there is an easy way to find the direction. What is that easy way? Get up early in the morning, stand facing the sun. So sun is on your eastern side or east direction. So this is east. Then if this is east, front is east, back is west. Then your left and right. Left is your north and right is your south. So this is the way by which you can find the directions. Yes. And there are some other directions like right, left, then front, back, opposite, straight. These are the words we use to tell the directions. They are also directions. But four main directions are north, south, east and west. These directions have some sub-directions also. Sub-directions. The halfway between north and east. This halfway. This is actually northeast. The halfway between north and west, that is northwest. Northeast means NE, northwest means NW. Then the halfway between south and east is southeast. The halfway between south and west is southwest. Southeast is SE, southwest is SW. They are sub-directions. Then what else we learned? Yes, map. Map is a drawing of earth on a flat paper. That is map. Drawing of any area on a flat paper, it is map. And in Atlas, Atlas has collection of maps. Book of maps is Atlas. There if you get a map and if you hang it on a wall or spread it on a table, then the upper portion, it represents north, down, bottom, top is north and bottom is south always, and the right side is east and left side is west. On any map this is common. Yes. Time to recall. Yes, direction is the line along which a person or thing moves or looks. That we learned. Direction is it is a line along which a person moves or looks. A thing moves or looks. You can use the sun for directions. We can use sun for directions to find directions. There are 4 directions. Yes. The 4 cardinal directions or cardinal points are the directions of north, south, east and west. These north, south, east and west are called the 4 main directions or the cardinal directions. We also use this word cardinal points or cardinal directions. This north, south, east and west, CARDINAL, cardinal directions means north, south, east and west. These are cardinal directions or cardinal points. Children, we have completed the lesson directions, lesson 16. Now read the lesson, read about the directions and do this exercise. Early morning, get up children and stand in front of the sun and you find your directions. You say the directions, you explain it to your parents, your brother or sister. Okay, you should do that. You should get up early in the morning and you should do this. You should explain the directions to your parents or your friends or your cousins, your brother or sister, whoever there with you that time. Then read the lessons properly and if possible take a map and you yourself hang it on a wall and you check where is now north, south, east and west and which are the states, which places are there in north, south, east, west. Just check it out. Okay, so read the lesson well. Okay children.